Hey, they will pay. They will pay this guy. Who pay?
No one pay.
Hello.
Hello,
everyone. Meghalaya, Shillong, Khasi people, Northeast people. Peace out from Africa. This is Gabi from South Sudan. Welcome, brother.
And I'm Philip from Lesotho.
Philip from
Southern part
Lesotho,
of
guys.
Africa.
Southern part of Africa. We are the northern east part of Africa. So today we are checking one suggested video by the title E-Kong. E-Kong. For me, I can guess Kong is like a lady. Kong, yeah. Kong or Kongthei. Because previous I reacted to one music video, they told me the meaning. It was Kongthei, so it's a lady. So Kong also can be a lady, but E, I don't know. Maybe E is like, hey lady, E, hey lady, or oi lady, I don't know.
Sense.
Just tell us what does it mean also, guys. So E-Kong music video, Ki jlawdohtir. This is there. Ki jlawdohtir. Sorry for wrong pronunciation. It's very hard pronouncing Khasi, guys. So anyway, let's do it, guys. We are so curious to check it. So many people are watching, but they are not subscribing. So this is so rude from you if you are doing that. So kindly support us, show some love. We are also spending our time to share love, guys. So subscribe. We only need subscribe.
And hit the notification there.
Put on the notification button. That will cost you nothing for sure, guys. So let's do it. Let's start. Special time. Mary, Rishon, Jenny. Yes. E-Kong. E-Kong. Kong is a lady, I know.
It's a lady. In the first thing I see is a lady.
It's a lady.
Paro di ang ting hong ang lawan Kongthei thamai ha
young lady.
na kli hak jan ti pet klam sang nge bat pam bat jam ki shaka ki be nadin ki para maki ki yashrun ka jonga ki kam samla klam jingmut bat bali bat bayong markel yang ki ya patrong tang ban yo ya ikong ki ilut na dong sharong
Okay, it's like hi lady. Hi lady. E-Kong. Do not E-Kong. 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 Hi. Wow. You're so pretty. Hey, they will pay. They will pay this guy. Who paid?
No one pay.
This is so funny. This is so funny. I just love this. I love this music.
But it's no one paid.
No one paid?
No one paid because the lady are just waiting for
But everyone wanted to pay.
Yeah.
When she left, everyone is following now. This is so nice. Hey Kong, I'm pretty sure it's like, hey lady,
Hey, lady.
don't ignore us, man. They will pay for you. Why are you ignoring? Let's take more. Now it's time to impress.
To impress now, just to kill.
Wow, I think this music.
Ya iban kan yap ma jan bastal ki yap hong mit labat si ki ap wat ha jan ying ba isyong ha bartang ila mi baro iya lim lendang tang ila pe kendian baro iya sau kerang baro shisi ki ya ap kumba aske tang shudan nam pentut laki wate ki ya say kat haja ka balet maki hanta ki ya don la shaka tiang la ni shaka man kaman nadin ki ya bo para maki ki ya shrun ka jonga ki kam samla klam jingmut bat bali bat bayong markel yang ki ya patrong tang ban yo ya ikong ki ilut na dong sharong ikong tu sap se inga ikong wat le sarong ikong tu kam se inga
Kong. Hey Kong. In Khasi it's like hi lady. Hi lady. Hey lady. Hey Kong. Hey Kong. Hey Kong. Hey Kong, come sit. Wait.
What's all of this thing?
Come say hi. Geneva, hey Kong. Hey Kong, just say hi from here. Hey Kong. Here. We are going to bring you Hey Kong. Sit here.
You guys, I don't look good.
No, you look good.
I don't look good. Look at the
Sit, Nyngkong.
Hey Kong, sit there.
Sit down.
Sit there. Hey Kong. Say hi to Ray. Hey Kong.
Hey guys,
Hey,
how
Kong.
are you?
Our Hey Kong is here.
Nyngkong.
The music title was Hey Kong. Hey Kong is mean hey
Hi,
lady.
lady.
Look back. It was nice. We already reacted, you missed. But just say hi to Meghalaya people.
Hey Meghalaya people, how are you guys doing? Kisses
Hi.
from
This
Mozambique.
is Geneva. Her name is Geneva from Mozambique, guys. Yeah, so she's our Kong here. So thank you, guys. The music was so nice. We enjoyed the music. You know, all those guys, they were crashing for only one
One
lady.
girl
Really?
that came to the village.
Came to their village,
that girl
and
came
everyone
to-
there was
stopped
was
whatever They were in the farm.
yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they left whatever they were.
They
doing.
left the
You
farm.
see, because I'm around boys, this place all of a sudden started to be hot. I came, I was cold. Now all of a sudden, you guys are making me sweat. I like this.
So everyone was expressing their feeling. They left the farm. They went back home dressing so nice. So just to impress the girl.
Really?
Yeah. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Very soon we'll make Geneva to react with us, and you will see her craziness.
I'll be here.
Yeah. Thank you.